Have you ever been in a situation where you really want to do a journal? So you took up your journal, opened it up, and stares at the blank page because you literally have no idea what to do. If yes, don't worry because today I'm going to show you 4 journal page ideas. So this is my journal. I know it's so ugly and it's so thick. I don't know. I really wonder when I'm going to finish it. But I think it's already more than halfway. And it's just a normal diary. I don't even know why did I pick this as my journal. But I started it anyway, so I have to finish it. Or I don't know. So anyway, let's get into the first journal page idea. So for this one, I'm going to go with the C-drama called When I Fly Towards You. So it was really hard to choose one since I have a lots of favorite C-dramas and K-dramas. Like I have watched like thousands of dramas and I really have so many favorite K-dramas and C-dramas. But I think When I Fly Towards You will be like always one of my most favorite C-drama. So even though I love Hidden Love, The First Frost and Reborn as much as Vifty, I still pick Vifty for this journal because I think Vifty is just so aesthetic and perfect for a journal. So for this one, of course, I'm going to pick all the blue stuffs because When I Fly Towards You means blue, right? Vifty means blue. So for your information, majority of the things I'm taking here is totally handmade. So you don't have to buy all this stuff for just making journal because you can literally make journal supplies at home with just some markers and some papers. And it's totally optional to buy things. But if you want to buy, you can buy because it's cool too. And let me give you a pro tip. Instead of using this liquid glue, use glue tab or glue stick. Glue tab is the best thing I think, but I'm just using glue stick. It's okay if it's just glue stick itself, but don't use liquid glue because it can literally make your journal ugly. So now let's talk about When I Fly Towards You because why not? It's so amazing, right? I don't know if anyone could ever hate this drama because I absolutely love it. I don't know if there is someone out there who still haven't watched this drama because if you haven't, please go watch it. I mean, it's so amazing, it's so comforting, it's so fun to watch and it's really amazing and I'm sure it will become one of your favorite dramas. Also, don't forget to comment on which is your favorite C-drama or K-drama. So by that time, our journal are halfway done. So I'm going to use some stickers now. And it's totally optional to use stickers. And even if you don't have stickers, you can try making your own stickers. And it's super easy. There are hundreds of ways you can try. So I have actually recorded this video 2 or 3 weeks before, and the thing is I didn't have time to edit because of school and stuff. And the second thing is I wanted to do this voiceover, right? And I was super insecure about my voice, so that's the second reason, and so sorry for not uploading. I really want to be consistent in this channel, but the thing is school. I have a lot of notes to write, I have a lot to study, I have oh my god, does it not do so many things again? It takes so long, I really want to know if it's going to be 7 but I can't because I couldn't understand something that Max got physics for me, but I really want to do a great job with that idea, but I don't think I can. So now I'm going to write something about the drama. You can write like anything. And by that our journal is ready. So this journal page is like aesthetic, affordable and super easy. So don't forget to try it out. Now let's move on to second page.